BJP party state-wise Lok Sabha election 2024 result. Uttar Pradesh 33 seats, Maharashtra 9 seats, West Bengal 12 seats, Bihar 12 seats, Tamil Nadu 0 seats, Madhya Pradesh 29 seats, Karnataka 17 seats, Gujarat 25 seats, Andhra Pradesh 3 seats, Rajasthan 15 seats, Odisha 20 seats, Kerala 1 seats, Telangana 8 seats, Assam 9 seats, Jharkhand 8 seats, Punjab 0 seats, Chhattisgarh 10 seats, Haryana 5 seats, NCT of Delhi 7 seats, Jammu and Kashmir 2 seats, Uttarakhand 5 seats, Himachal Pradesh 4 seats, Arunachal Pradesh 2 seats, Goa 1 seat, Manipur 0 seats, Meghalaya 0 seats, Mizoram 0 seats, Tripura 2 seats, Andaman and Nicobar Islands 1 seat, Chandigarh 0 seats, Dadra and Nagar Haveli 0 seats, Daman and 1 seat, Ladakh 0 seats, Lakshadweep 0 seats, Nagaland 0 seats, Puducherry 0 seats, Sikkim 0 seats. Overall India 240 seats. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe this channel.